Take command of the road in the 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, OnStar, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.